Because I have selling today and my dad said no, I can't sell.
You learned it at home or your school teacher only has taught you?
I learn it by myself.
By myself? From YouTube videos?
Hmm?
No.
I make it at home.
Oh, but you are so young. How will you make it? Your parents will
My
make it for
I
you?
just help my mom to make that because my mom choose it. You have to give me some option.
Oh, I have to give you some options. Good. So, vanilla cookies, almond cookies, and chocolate cookies.
But even don't tell me, even I didn't have.
Okay, they didn't tell you and you didn't even ask them, right? So, the way you ask, इसको क्या कहते हैं? That is called strokes. I do
So,
the strokes of
so
different colors. हाँ.
I do the stroke that I take another color.
So, Diksha, today you went to school. Did you go to school today?
Yes.
Hmm.
No.
No. Why? What happened? Why you didn't go to school today? What happened?
Because I have selling today and my dad said no, I can't sell.
Okay, I have what? Sorry.
I had to. I had to sell something like anything, but my dad said no, you can't.
Okay. So, what type of things you were supposed to sell? You did not go. That is okay. But if you can tell me a little about this event, what you were supposed to sell, what was going on, tell me.
My I was trying to sell brownie and cookies.
Oh, okay, okay. So you purchase the brownies and cookies from the market and then you will sell it in the school?
No,
No?
I make it at home.
Oh, but you are so young. How will you make it? Your parents will
My
make it for
I
you?
just help my mom to make that because
Mm.
my mom choose it.
Okay. You will not say choose it. My mom chose it.
Mm,
Past tense. My mom chose it. What will you
Mom
say?
chose
Chose it. Chose it.
it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So brownies and cookies. Do you like brownies and cookies? Otherwise, do you like them? Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay. So do
brownie
you
and
like brownies? So do you
hmm?
like brownies more? You like brownies more or you like cookies more?
Cookies more.
Cookies more. So cookies come in various flavors: vanilla cookies, chocolate cookies, blueberry cookies. What cookies that you like?
Every
Sorry,
every cookies.
every cookie. Okay, now make a full sentence. I like.
Every cookies.
Yeah, repeat the complete sentence. Full sentence, please repeat. I like
I like
all the.
all I like all the cookies.
Perfect. I like all the cookies. But we all have some favorite. You have to tell me your favorite cookie. Which one is your favorite?
You have to give me some option.
Oh, I have to give you some options. Good. So vanilla cookies, almond cookies, and chocolate cookies.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Oh, I also like chocolate cookies. So that's a great idea. So why didn't you go to school? You should have gone to school. It would have been so much fun. Why didn't you go?
Because we don't have transport. Because the bus is not going and we don't have transport.
Oh, but you wanted to go. You wanted
Hmm?
to go. You wanted
Yeah.
to go. Okay. So Sudiksha, we were saying. I was saying that your friends will also sell brownies and cookies, or they plan to sell something else.
They plan to sell something else.
So do you know what they were about to sell? Do you know their ideas?
No.
No, it was a secret.
I don't know.
Oh, so your friends didn't tell you, or you didn't ask them?
My even don't tell me, even I didn't have.
Okay, they didn't tell you and you didn't even ask them, right? So, does
Yeah.
this thing happen every week in your school, or how frequently this activity of selling happens at your school?
Because you know that I go a lot of I will go in KG3. That's why I don't know. It just come one time to me.
Once in a whole year?
Yeah. Only one time it come to me, not two or three or four.
Okay, only one time?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, understood. So, today you did not go to school, but whenever you go to school, you must be attending a lot of classes, right? English class, mathematics class, music class. So, which class is your favorite class, which you
mu-
enjoy the most at school?
Music class.
Music class. So, what do you do in your music class? You play an instrument or you sing? What do you do in the music class?
We play what do you say?
Instruments.
Instrument. We play instrument.
Mhm. And which instrument do you play?
Like I like to sing and
You like
dance.
to sing. So, you sing or you play guitar or you do both the things?
I sing.
I sing. Okay. And what musical instruments are there in your music room? Can you tell me what all musical instruments do you see over there?
Yeah. Piano.
Mhm.
Sing. I mean, the mic on
Of
the
course,
mic.
mic is not an instrument. Mic is an audio tool. Mic is not instrument.
Like what? We like this thingy. This the hold one. We have to
Uh,
hold this stage of then we have to
are you
play
talking about trumpet?
trumpet.
Maybe you do not know the name of that thing. Or maybe flute.
Let me see.
Okay. Oh,
Let
what
me,
happened?
I just
It's okay. It's fine.
It's okay. It's okay, na.
wait.
So, what
Yeah.
do you sing? You sing Hindi music, English songs. What do you sing?
English song.
Okay. So, your teacher teaches you how to sing?
Yes.
Hmm. So, currently, these days, which particular song you are rehearsing or which particular song you are working on?
Okay.
Sorry?
Aperture.
Aperture. Okay. Make a full sentence. I am learning.
I am learning aperture song.
Oh, okay. So, you are learning it alone or your entire class is learning the same song?
There are more kids learning with me.
Okay. How many more kids are there who are learning the same song with you?
Five.
Okay. So are they your friends or they are just your classmates?
Huh?
They are your friends or they are your classmates?
They are my friends.
Oh, wow. That's great. So one thing that you told me was about the music class. Now, which is the second favorite class of yours? Music class is your most
Painting
favorite.
class.
Painting class. Wow. So tell me, what all do you paint? What all you learn to do in your painting class? Tell me something
Like
about
rainbow, fish,
rainbow. What is the second thing that you said?
fish and
Fish. Okay.
a cute cloud and
Okay.
my
So you will again
water
make a full sentence. I paint rainbow, fish. You will
fish.
say like that. Yeah.
I paint rainbow, fish and cloud,
Clouds,
something like balloons and
balloon.
like myself.
Oh, myself. How do you draw yourself? That is so interesting. That is so difficult. How do you draw yourself? I can't believe you.
Okay.
No, no, no. Don't draw it. Later on. Next
Okay,
class you
sorry.
tell me. Next class you tell me. Okay. Prepare it
I,
before the class.
first I do the
Make a circle.
First you
first
make the
I
face.
make a circle, then I do the hair, then I just do it like make a triangle,
Okay. To
then I
make the
make
breast. Okay. Okay.
and then make the hand and make the feet
Legs. Yeah.
and make the hair, eyes, nose,
Eyes, nose,
mouth.
and okay, fine, fine. That is very nice. So, which colors do you use? You use watercolors, crayons, sketch pens. What type of colors you use once your picture is ready?
Uh, I use markers,
Okay,
watercolors,
okay,
and crayons.
okay. So there are different colors, and every color gives a very different type of a look. Which look do you like the most? I think watercolors are pretty interesting, but which one are your favorite type of colors that you like to use?
Watercolor.
Make a full sentence. I like to
I like to I
use.
like to use watercolor. I like to use watercolor.
Hmm. So who told you how to use watercolors? How to use watercolors? Can you tell me? What is the
First,
process of using the watercolors? Tell me something, please.
I dip in the water the paintbrush. Then I take some color. Then I color. Then we have to dip another. Then we have to do like this.
Hmm.
Then I do like this.
You can say जैसे the way you ask इसको क्या कहते हैं? That is called strokes. I do the
Stroke.
strokes of
Stroke.
different color. हाँ,
I do the stroke. Then I take another color. Then
हाँ.
color. Then
Then
another.
I do the strokes of another color, right? Oh, okay, okay. So is it easy to learn watercolors or is it difficult to learn watercolors?
It's easy.
It's easy. So you learned it at home or your school teacher only has taught you?
I learn it by myself.
I myself from YouTube videos.
Hmm?
From
No.
YouTube videos, no, on your own completely. Oh, nice, nice. That is great. So, do you have a drawing book or you do it on a big chart? Like on which particular canvas you paint? You can tell me
Whiteboard.
verbally. Whiteboard? Like, are you talking about a canvas?
Whiteboard.
Drawing board. Okay, so you have a drawing board. So, is that
Mhm.
drawing board reusable or you can use the drawing board only once?
We can use anytime we want it. Right.
That means we can use it again and again.
Yeah.
So, that is what we call as reusable.
We
Drawing, yeah, reusable. Repeat.
usable drawing.
You will
We
say
we usable drawing.
yes, board. Reusable drawing board. Okay. So, do you have these drawing boards at school, or do you bring those drawing boards back to home?
I didn't bring. uh, drawing board. I just bring no. I just bring nothing. Just if I have a project, then I bring it. If I don't have a project, mean I have to paint. Then
Mhm.
teacher give me. Sometimes teacher gives to us the paper.
You will say teacher gives us the paper. Gives.
Teacher, teacher
Gives.
gives us
Hmm.
the paper.
Hmm. So there must be a canteen in your school also. Is there a canteen in your school? Canteen? Cafe?
Candy?
Canteen. Cafe where you can get food items at school?
No.
Canteen? No, you do not have any canteen at your school? Oh, okay. So do you take the lunch from your home itself?
Mm, yes.
Okay, so generally what you like to take for your lunch?
Noodles.
Sorry?
Noodles.
Noodles. Make a full sentence. I like
I
to
like to uh,
take
take lunch. I
take
like to
noodles.
take noodle in my lunch.
Oh, so which flavor noodles? Because in noodles also these days, are you talking about 2 minutes Maggie or you are talking about some other type of noodles?
Like what is it?
What type of noodles you like to take for your lunch? What type of noodles?
Yellow noodles.
Are you talking about Maggie? Maggie noodles? Hmm. Okay, but do you know Maggie noodles are not healthy? Should we have noodles? Do you think they are healthy?
No,
Okay, so should we have Maggie noodles or we should not have Maggie noodles?
not have. My mom give me sometimes.
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 Okay, not regularly, only sometimes, right? Okay, and do you take any fruit or any chocolate, any other extra thing in your lunch, or only one lunch? That's it.
One lunch.
No, your school doesn't have any rule that you have to get one fruit every day, one chocolate every day. Many schools have such rules. Your school has not given any such rules.
The cut rules. One mean the rules don't make loud noises.
No, oh, the rule is do not make loud noises.
Yeah.
We will not say noises, we will only say noise. Don't make loud noise. Okay? Okay, so you take noodles, but as you told me, you take noodles only on some days, not every day, just some days. So on other days, what are the different things that you carry for your lunch?
Poha.
Okay, got it. Perfect.
Some healthy vegetables. No. Yes,
Mhm.
healthy
Okay,
vegetables.
so you said poha. You just said one word. Now make a full sentence. I take.
I take poha in my lunch. I
Perfect.
take anda bread in my lunch.
So you will say egg bread, not under. You will say egg bread because we are in English language now. So egg bread for my lunch.
I get egg bread for my lunch.
Perfect. Absolutely. And you were talking something about vegetables also. So do you take some vegetables also, green vegetables at school? Mhm. Which all vegetables do you take to school? When I was of your age, I used to take pumpkin to school. I used to take potatoes to school, carrots to school. So what all vegetables you go take to school?
Broccoli, carrot,
Mhm. And just broccoli and carrot, no other vegetables?
um,
Or you are not able to
tomato,
tomatoes?
potato.
Okay. And what about paneer? Do you take paneer also? Hmm? Now, we call paneer in Hindi, but in English we call it cottage cheese.
What?
Cottage cheese.
Cottage cheese.
Cheese. Yeah. So it's a different type of a cheese and we call it cottage cheese. In Hindi we call it
I
paneer, but in English we call it cottage cheese. So you can say I
cottage
take
cheese.
cottage cheese to school. Okay.
I can.
Hmm. And do you also like to carry, or do you also like to take sandwiches to school? Sandwiches.
Yes.
Mhm. So, which type of sandwich your parents prepare for you? They make vegetable sandwich or bread butter, toast. What type of sandwich
Real
they make?
sandwich.
Which sandwich?
Real sandwich.
Real sandwich. What is real sandwich? I don't know about it.
First, take a bread, egg, and put some vegetables. Get some cheese. Put on the another bread.
Okay, so after that, do they roast it also, or you just take it raw like this only?
Roast it.
Okay, roast it in an equity pan or on a flat surface on induction. We have to
Yes.
roast it also. Yes.
Air fryer.
Air fryer. Oh, that's very nice. It's good idea to use air fryer. Correct. Do you like air fryer cooked food? Do you like it? Mhm. Okay. And now tell me something about your friends also. At school, do you have a few friends or you have a lot of friends at school?
I have some friends.
Okay. Is there any best friend of yours? We generally have one
Aisha.
best friend.
Aisha. Aisha.
Aisha?
Aisha.
Aisha. Oh, why is she your best friend? Is she a good girl? What do you like about Aisha?
Aisha is a means so cute.
Like, she's what?
So cute.
Oh, Aisha is so cute. Wow, wow, that's
She
very nice.
always play with me. She always play with me.
Okay,
Always.
so what do you play with Aisha? Can you tell me the names of the games? What exactly you play with Aisha? Tell me something.
We just talk,
Oh my God.
runs, racing,
Okay, okay. So you talk.
painting,
Okay. She also.
coloring,
Sorry.
coloring also.
Okay, so she also likes to paint just like you. Oh, so is she also there in your music class, or only she paints with you, or she sings also with you?
She is only plays paint with.
She's
Paint.
my neighbor.
Okay.
She's my
And what?
neighbors.
Oh, she's your neighbor only. She lives nearby.
Yeah,
So do you play with her in the evening time also, or you are only connected at school?
I
Do you?
will play. When is my holiday, then I play everything. My every day means um day, night,
Evening,
Entire day?
morning.
Entire
afternoon.
day? Okay, so when you have to say morning, evening, afternoon, everything, no? So you can simply say I play for the whole day or I play for the entire day. Okay?
I play whole day.
Yes. So now, so Diksha, what you can do is after the session, you will receive the recording of this session. So make sure that you watch that recording and all the new words that I have told you, you start to practice them regularly. Next time, when we connect again for the session, I will share more new things with you. Okay. Thank you, Sudiksha. It was wonderful talking. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Take care. Have a good time.